We're going to build. We're going to continue building the house. Okay, so this is the house now. Since it looks pretty crappy though. I don't know. I hope you guys like it too. But it's pretty crappy, so just put some of the stuff in here. 3 shotgun shells left. Oh god, I need to refill that. Just gonna look for some of my shotgun shells. I think I'm gonna change out the this. Oh wait, no. I'm gonna change this into the one with the RPG. Because I think an RPG is cool. Okay, that's scope on my gun. It won't go there now, so actually it does. Wait, that's not the other. Yeah, I still do have a Remington. I think I need to change it too. Well, so I'm changing it. I'm gonna change it to the cycle. No, just to be fair, I'm just gonna give me maybe half of it. Why is my head good above? I don't even need the wall anymore because I look cool at my skin. I'm sure. Time to get hurt. No! I'm hurt. Doesn't matter. So let's just continue building our home. We might actually need some slabs. Nah, we're not gonna use the slabs though. Oh, we gotta build a stash for my weapons. Pretty good. The only thing is hobbled up. Now I just made it look weird. Oh, I don't know about you guys, but you should comment what I should add next to this house. Kinda lame. And now we're not going to add a tool. And yes, the bed. There's also a sniper tower over here. But I don't really have the sniper bed. I mean the sniper. I have this crappy shotgun. Thunder gun. Let's try out this thunder gun. God, this is cool. Maybe we'll save it for the huge battle. compact on my over here. Dito 50 compact. Oh, I just snapped that. Okay. Since it's a thunderstorm or rain, I don't know, it's just sleep. Since we can't sleep, we won't sleep. And 4 grip is pretty useless, you know. I'm actually using them for... Actually, you know, it could come for... Oh snap. I put the wrong one on. Kinda like the scope. It's dope. It's cool. You also have a red dot scope. Nah, the ACOG scope is really good. Okay. So we're just gonna grab our stuff. And then we're gonna go to survival. I don't need the part 3. Yeah, and I skipped part 1. I don't know why, but yeah, I don't need the part 3. I mean, I don't need the part 4 because this is already part 3 by all means. Actually, we're gonna go part 4. So, no, netherite axe is a little too powered. I guess we'll just go for this. So I just pretty much need a weapon that's better than this is sick. Totally absolutely sick. Yeah, so the rifle, I mean the AR or rifle, whatever you want to call it, it's actually a pretty dope weapon. Oh god, 16 mags only for the... Okay, I guess we'll do it. So this is all I'm gonna show for now. Probably part 4 is gonna be the survival mode. And we're just gonna look for diamonds. Even though I cheated, I didn't cheat with the diamonds. So, see ya. Oh god! Luckily my house didn't explode, so GG's.